Hi guys, this is Queen Ashley Umali Palye, 27 from Barangay Poblacion, Muntinlupa City. I started dancing when I was at the stage of joining beauty pageant to showcase my talent through dancing. Then I upgraded into the dance group and now a member of Ace Crew and Elite Pioneer. Ang piece na ipapakita ko dito ay ang piece na kung anong kaya kong gawin sa larangan ng sayawan. Again, this is Queen Ashley Umali Palye, ang Pag-Girl on Fire, number 6. Let's do this!